Hello class 10th, we were studying second chapter of your chemistry book, acids, bases and salts, in which we were studying about the acids first, and we have studied what is acid, how many types of acids are there on different bases, how can we prepare acids, and what are their physical properties. Okay, physical properties were they are sour in taste, they are solid or liquid at room temperature, they have corrosive nature, highly corrosive in nature. Mineral acids, they change blue litmus to red color, methyl orange from orange to pink color. Phenolphthalein will remain colorless when treated with acid. Olfactory indicators. Onion loses its smell when reacts with acid. You know that, no? If we put onion in vinegar, what happens to onion ka taste hai, peculiar taste, and that smell, it decreases. So different olfactory indicator reacts differently with different olfactory indicators. Okay, now next is pH of acid in normal condition is less than 7. Now what is pH we will study in later on videos. Okay, so first you have to just learn that here ki pH of acid, pH is actually potential of hydrogen, that is for acid is less than 7. That means if the value is between 0 to 7, the substance will be acid. We'll discuss it in details in coming videos. Now next, chemical properties of acid. So very first chemical property of acid is react with metal. Yani reaction with metals. How does acid reacts when treated with how does acid reacts when they treated with metals, when they react with metals? So acid when react with metal, they produce respective salt. Respective salt का means है which metallic acid you are using, that metallic salt will be produced and releases hydrogen gas. ठीक है, तो acid plus metal will give you acidic salt. This metallic salt, this metal, ये वाला जो metal आपने लिया है जो भी होगा उसका salt, and hydrogen gas is released. ठीक है, see HCl plus Mg will give you HCl2 plus H2 gas is released. We have to balance it, so we'll put 2 here. है ना? So 2HCl plus Mg will give you MgCl2 plus H2 gas is released. Here, now acid we are taking as H2SO4. It reacts with iron Fe, will give you FeSO4 plus hydrogen gas is released. So what kind of reaction? Basically this is a displacement reaction. ठीक है, तो व्हेन एसिड रिएक्ट्स विद मेटल, डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस. ठीक है, Mg ने डिस्प्लेस कर दिया किसको? हाइड्रोजन को, एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस इज रिलीज्ड. अगेन whichever metal you are taking, that metal will replace hydrogen because I have given you a reactivity series. तो जितने भी हाइड्रोजन जो था वो एटलीस्ट 7th 8th नंबर पे था. जितने भी मेटल्स थे हाईली एक्टिव वो सब उसके ऊपर थे. दैट मीन्स व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विद दिस सब्सटेंस they will replace hydrogen, है ना? तो this is basically a displacement reaction is taking place when acids are reacting with metal. Now second is one more thing is here, जितने भी acidic substances होते हैं, for example you know that lemon contains acid, है ना? Sour in taste. Pickle contain acid. We put vinegar in it for what we call it. Okay, we use pickle. Pickle has sour taste. That means pickle is acidic in nature. We put vinegar for preservative purpose, preservation purpose, है ना? So we don't put them in the metal container. You must have seen that कि जितने भी pickles होते हैं we contain or we put them in the glass jars, not in the metal container. Why? Because for when acids react with metals, here we are giving you the reaction between the mineral acids. They are the mild acid which we use for eating purpose, but if they react with metal for a longer time, they will also form the chloride and releases hydrogen gas, and that is why we don't keep the acidic substances in metal container. Okay, because acids react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Okay, now next is reaction with base. You have already know neutralization reaction. When acid reacts with base, salt plus water is formed. Neutralization reaction is called because acidity of acids and basicity of base is neutralized here and a salt is formed and water. Okay, next is reaction with metallic oxide or metallic hydroxide. Now you know metallic oxides and metallic hydroxides. Metallic oxides and metallic hydroxides are actually basic in nature. I told you in my previous video that non-metallic oxides are acidic. Non-metallic oxides are acidic. Similarly, जितने भी metallic oxides and metallic hydroxides are there, they are basic in nature. If they are basic in nature, so when they will treat with acid, so what will happen? Acid plus base will give you salt and water. Simple. So reaction, we have taken CuO, copper oxide. Copper is a metal oxide, metallic oxide. It is basic in nature. So when it react with H2SO4 acid, it will give you CuSO4. That means corresponding salt is formed and water formed. Okay. Now here NaOH. Metal hydroxide. Sodium is metal, OH is hydroxide. Metallic hydroxide, this will also basic in nature. And HCl, when you treat it with HCl, that is acid, so it will give you corresponding salt. That means Na was the metal, so NaCl salt will be formed and H2O water. Now next is reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates. Now what are carbonates and what are bicarbonates? Carbonates are the substances which have CO3 2 minus group attached with them. These are the carbonates. And HCO3 2 नहीं होगा सिंगल, क्योंकि H आयन आ गया पॉजिटिव, तो 2 माइनस प्लस 1 माइनस 1. ठीक है, this group is attached to a substance. That substance is bicarbonate or we call it hydrogen carbonate. When acid react with carbonate or hydrogen carbonate, it forms the corresponding salt. Again, जो भी metallic carbonate या metallic hydrogen carbonate you are using, that salt will be formed, water will be formed, and CO2 gas is released. What happens? CO2 gas is released. Acid release CO2 gas when react with carbonate or bicarbonate and also forms the corresponding salt and water. वहाँ पे bicarbonate लिख देंगे. Metal bicarbonates or metal carbonates. Okay. Now example CaCO3. Ca is metal. CO3 is carbonate group. Calcium carbonate when reacts with HCl, it will give you corresponding salt. Corresponding salt यानी Ca के साथ जो सॉल्ट बनेगा CaCl2 है ना, प्लस वाटर प्लस CO2 गैस इज रिलीज. सिमिलरली कैल्शियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट reacts with HCl, give you CaCl2 plus 2H2O plus CO2 gas is released. Next is reaction with sulfite and bisulfite. Now there are no need to get confused. Sulfite are the substance which contains group SO3 2 minus. Okay, and bisulfite HSO3 single minus आ गया यहाँ पे. Hydrogen sulfite you can also call them. That SO4 group which we use most of the time for sulfuric acid as well, this is sulfate. So don't get confused here. Okay, this is sulfite is SO3 2 minus, hydrogen sulfite or bisulfite is HSO3 minus, sulfate is SO4 2 minus, and S2 minus single S is sulfide. Okay, so we are studying the reaction of acids with sulfite and bisulfite. So what happens when sulfite and bisulfite के साथ react करते हैं metal, तो they will again form the corresponding salt, water, and in this case which gas is released? Sulfur dioxide, SO2 gas will be released. Same as of carbonate and bicarbonate, but in that case carbon था तो carbon dioxide gas was released. Here in sulfite and bisulfite sulfur is there, तो sulfur dioxide gas will be released. CaSO3 calcium sulfite plus 2HCl will give you calcium chloride plus H2O plus SO2 gas. Sodium hydrogen sulfite NaHSO3 plus HCl gives you NaCl plus H2O plus SO2 gas. Okay, so this is the reaction with sulfide and bisulfide. Now reaction with sulfides. Now we are talking about sulfide, S2 minus. ठीक है, तो दिस इज मेटेलिक सल्फाइड, जिंक सल्फाइड, जिंक मेटल है, सल्फाइड के साथ कनेक्ट हुआ है. जिंक सल्फाइड इज द सब्सटेंस. व्हेन इट रिएक्ट्स विद HCl it will give you corresponding salt ZnCl2 and hydrogen sulfide gas is released, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. I told you about hydrogen sulfide that it is a very pungent, peculiar smelled gas, has a very bad smell, and the smell, it smells like rotten eggs. ठीक है, very bad smell gas, hydrogen sulfide. ठीक है. Now next is reaction with chlorides. Now इसको हमने simply लिख दिया था, acids plus metal sulfide will give you metallic salt plus H2S gas is released. Reaction with chlorides. Now one thing you need to note here is कि not every acids react with chlorides. ठीक है, only concentrated H2SO4 react with the chloride, and that too at temperature greater than 200 degrees Celsius. That means it's not possible कि you took NaCl and put H2SO4 in it and the reaction will take place. It will not take place. ठीक है, यानी जो रिएक्शन है क्लोराइड्स का, दैट टुक प्लेस ओनली विथ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 और ऑल्सो द टेम्परेचर मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Then this kind of reaction take place. And what happens in this reaction? In this reaction, sodium salt and hydrogen chloride gas is formed. ठीक है, NaCl plus H2SO4 greater than 200 degree Celsius temperature, NaHSO4 plus HCl gas is released. ठीक है, तो reaction with chloride, very less reaction takes place between chlorides and acid. Chlorides only react with concentrated H2SO4 at temperature above than 200 degrees Celsius. So these are the chemical properties of acid. First, when acid reacts with metal, it gives you corresponding salt plus hydrogen gas is released. Acid react with base will give you salt and water. Acid reacts with metallic oxide or metallic hydroxide will give you salt and water again, because metallic oxide and metallic hydroxides are basic in nature, and acid plus base is equals to salt plus water, neutralization reaction. When acids react with carbonate and bicarbonates, it will give you corresponding salt, water and carbon dioxide gas will be released. When acid reacts with sulfide and bisulfide, again corresponding salt and water is formed, but in this case sulfur dioxide gas will be released. When it reacts with sulfides, metal sulfides, so it will give you corresponding salt and hydrogen sulfide gas is released. And reaction with chloride takes place only between a chloride and concentrated H2SO4 at higher temperature than 200 degrees Celsius. In that case, corresponding salt and HCl gas is released. Okay, thank you.